Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm making myself a nice cup of espresso first thing in the morning. Life would just not be the same without that. It would be very, very sad. I'm taking you to these, I call them mountains, but they're actually hills, where I pick my wild thyme. You have to park the car a little bit further back and walk all the way to the edge of the mountain. I'm going to call it mountain, even though it is a hill. I do that, try to do that a couple of times a week so I can pick my time, just walk around and have a look at the beautiful view. So living in Sicily, we are so lucky because the weather just holds out till, look, we're in the middle of November and it's still sunny and the skies are blue. Absolutely fantastic weather. Here I'm picking that wild thyme that I love so much. And if you're interested in how I make the seasoning, you can go back to episode 2. I do explain it in that episode. I'm lucky that I have all my mornings are free because I work only in the afternoons and early evenings. So I get a chance to walk around and have a look at new places. But right now, this has to be my favorite place. Okay, here I had picked a white bougainvillea on my way back from the mountains. We are trying to see if we can propagate it, but I have a funny feeling that this has to be done in spring, but we are trying anyway. We've got a pink and we've got a purple bougainvillea, but the look of a white one just looks so delicate, and I really would like one to grow in our garden. This is Santa Lucia Church. It's right next to the Sunday Vintage Market. I absolutely love this church. The architecture is so beautiful. And I always admire her and never get tired of it when I come every Sunday. I'm going to be meeting my friend here. We always meet every Sunday, and we go around the market, and then we go for a little espresso at the end of our buys. Buongiorno!
Di carta. No. Sono più piccoline, però provano, non sacco, provano. Ciao, grazie.
Love this. I want it. Okay, so I've done my morning buys at the market. I've got a few little bargains, which I'll show you later on. But first of all, I mean, look at that. Look at this. This is what I found at the vintage market. I found these beautiful little bedside lamps made of copper and glass. Cleaned them up and they work perfectly. I was really lucky to have found this bargain. Here they are in our bedroom. I also bought this little cough sweet box